Integration with Zapier. In TaxDome, you have the option of integrating Zapier, which allows you to automate workflows with other apps and allows you to scale your services more effectively. To take advantage of this feature, navigate to the Integration page under the Settings section, click the Integrations tab, and then select the Zapier sub-tab. Click the blue Connect button. This will take you to the Zapier platform page. For this next step, you will need a Zapier account. If you don't have one, please create it and then log on to it. A message will display telling you that you've been invited to use TaxDome on Zapier. At the bottom of the page, click the Accept Invite button. This will then take you to the Zapier page. Once here, you'll be free to create as many Zaps as you want, and of course, select TaxDome as your application. For this example, I have created a Zap where I notify my team members via Gmail every time a contact is created within my TaxDome portal. If you want to disconnect Zapier at any stage, click the Revoke button, and all existing Zapier connections with TaxDome will stop working.